Okay, another little walk around of my Stumpjumper with the BBSHD. I got an Alfine on there, Alfine 8. And with the dropouts to get this cassette joint to clear this linkage on the other side, I just used this one instead of the black and blue ones that came, and it rotated it clockwise a few degrees and it cleared that. What else do I have on this bike that's weird? Just about everything on it. Got a Cannondale Lefty. I got my camera mounted up there just for some video I was going to try to do here later. Might be dark. Anyway, I am going to fire it up, and let's see if I can. Okay, that's the throttle. So how can I do this while y'all are doing stuff? I'm going to shift under throttle. Oh, you got to figure out. Oh, well, okay, so you got to be more coordinated. I'm holding this with my hands. You hear me shift you. I have a gear sensor on there. And you can see if I don't have anything holding the pedals, it keeps rotating around. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea how Alfine sounds while it's being shifted. Let's see if I can do this. That's it.